Imagine stumbling upon a fairy tale town in Germany, where delicate lace whispers stories of centuries-old craftsmanship. Towering viaducts stretch like ancient dragons across lush valleys, and hidden hiking trails lead to picnic spots that feel like your own private paradise. But here's the twist. 99% of tourists skip it for Berlin or Munich. Welcome to Plauen, the lace capital of the world and Saxony's best-kept secret. If you're tired of crowded castles and ready for authentic, underrated vibes, hit that subscribe button now and join me as we uncover why Plauen deserves a spot on your 2025 travel list. Let's dive in. Nestled in the rolling hills of the Vogtland region, Plauen isn't your typical postcard Germany. This charming city of about 65,000 souls blends industrial grit with poetic beauty, all wrapped in a green embrace that makes it perfect for slow travel. I arrived by train from Dresden, just an hour away, and was hooked from the moment I stepped off at the Hauptbahnhof. Today, we'll explore its iconic lace heritage, jaw-dropping bridges, serene parks, and a few hidden gems that locals guard like treasure. Grab your walking shoes. This 48-hour adventure is all about off-the-beaten-path magic. No trip to Plauen is complete without diving into its world-famous lace, Plauener Spitze, the finest chemical lace on the planet, handcrafted since the 19th century. Start at the Vogtlandmuseum, right in the heart of the old town. I wandered through rooms filled with intricate patterns that look like frozen spiderwebs, learning how this tiny city once exported lace to royalty across Europe. Pro tip, time your visit for a demo workshop where artisans still operate massive looms. It's mesmerizing and way more hands-on than any museum I've seen. From there, stroll to the Plauener Spitze by Spitze shop, where you can snag a delicate scarf or tablecloth as a souvenir. But don't just shop. Chat with the locals. They'll share tales of how lace saved the town during tough times. It's these personal stories that make Plauen feel alive, not just a history lesson. If you're into sustainable crafts, this is your heaven, eco-friendly, timeless, and utterly unique. Plauen's real showstoppers. Its bridges, their engineering marvels turned scenic wonders. Head first to the Elstertalbrücke, a soaring red brick viaduct from 1845. That's longer than some football fields. I climbed the nearby Berenstain Tower for panoramic views, valleys dotted with forests, the Weiss Elster River snaking below like a silver ribbon. It's the perfect Instagram spot without the crowds, trust me. I had it to myself at golden hour. Cross over to the Friedensbrücke, the Peace Bridge, built as a symbol of reconciliation after the wall fell. Walk its length while pondering the Peaceful Revolution monument nearby. It's a poignant reminder of East Germany's quiet heroism. For adventure seekers, lace up for the Elster Cycle Path, a flat, 10 kilometers trail weaving through meadows and under more viaducts. I packed a picnic from a local bakery. Try the Vogtland quarkkeulchen, cheesy potato pancakes that are pure comfort, and found a barbecue spot by the river. It's effortless hiking with big rewards, wildflowers in summer, fiery leaves in fall. Plauen's green lungs make it a breath of fresh air in a country full of concrete. Plauen's hidden gems steal the show. Slip into the Stadt Park for a lazy afternoon. Think swan-filled ponds, rose gardens, and that rare quiet you crave after big city hops. I discovered a secret viewpoint from the old Elster Bridge, where the City Hall Tower peaks like a medieval sentinel. For foodies, hit the weekly market near the Rat House for regional specialties. Fresh trout from the Elster, hearty lentil stews, and craft beers from microbreweries nodding to Vogtland's brewing past. Dinner at a Gasthaus like the Alt Brauerei. Order the schnitzel with lingonberries, simple, satisfying, and paired with stories from barkeeps who have lived here forever.